Hey, Thibaut here for another guide on how to use SmartRole. Now, I want to show how to manage your users inside SmartRole. One great thing about SmartRole is that you can have as many agents, admin, team leads, whatever that you want. You are not charged per seat or license. To see who currently has access to your account, you will simply need to access the Users menu located under Organization Settings. From here, you will see four subcategories related to user management: users, invites, roles, and groups. So from the users page, you will be able to see which users have access to your account and what role they have. Of course, you'll be able to delete a user access if you need and edit the type of role your user has, and also decide to enable or disable this user if needed. The invites menu is relatively straightforward. That's where you'll be able to invite anyone to the platform. You will need to click on the Invite People button, and from here you will be able to add the email of the user you want to invite. You can also add multiple users by simply copying and pasting a list of users' emails. And you will be able to decide what kind of level you want to give them. This is of course defined by the roles that you have in your account, and you would simply need to click the submit button at the end to send the invite. The roles are all the roles that you have currently in your account. I created a specific guide for this feature, so look at it if you're interested. And then finally, groups are groups of users. So for example, here I have an existing group where I have only one user. I can create as many groups as I want. Let's say I need an onboarding team, and then I would have to select the users that will be part of this group and submit. This is then super useful to assign scenarios to multiple agents at once.